Hey guys, what's up? It's MLCuber here, and today I'm going to be retaking the video of how to solve, of the Ortega method. So, if you haven't watched it, I made an Ortega method video, but I wasn't explaining things clearly, so I deleted it, and I'm making this right now. So, just go ahead and scramble the cube. Yeah. Okay, whatever. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is get a face. So if you see any of these lines, just don't worry. Note, this is not a beginner's 2x2 method. So find a matching color line like these. But God, look, this one makes even more. If you got scrambles that, for example, if you have a scramble, that does not have any lines like this one, you can just, during inspection time, try to find like these two look good, they can match up like that, and then yeah, so then you can do that. And if you do you preserve the line during inspection, and then during the solve, you can find the other two reds, you can find the other two colored pieces, and you match them up. So you can see this one's here, and you find this one, you can insert it like that, and then you'll get a face. So that's the first step. A face, it doesn't need to be correct. It can be as incorrect as you want. Just a face, just not like this, but it can be anything. So if you have it at the top, like no pieces off to the side like this, but then you find this, like if there's no sides, like no reds in here, but there's one like up here, just rotate it and bring it down, and then you can get the other piece and insert it, and you've got a face. Now the next step is this, like you have to get your second face. So wait a second. So if you have a case like this where if you have a case like this, it's a soon case. So if it looks like this with one here, just do R U R prime U R U2 R prime. That gets it. Now the reverse soon is this. So it's the mirror or the altered way, and it goes like this. R U2 R prime U prime R U prime R prime. That gets it there. Now, if you have it like if you have your like, what I'm trying to say is if you get your case like this where it's like that, instead of using the long free algorithm like this, you can do this instead. Wait a minute. Okay. So I messed up. Sorry. No, you try this on your own. If you know the source. Okay, anyways. So, like this. Wait. Okay, look. I'm just gonna twist the corners. Like this. My alarm clock apparently went off for some reason. And let's get on with this video. So If you have this case, instead of doing that, you can do this instead. You can turn it here and do this. F R U R prime U prime F prime. And that gets it there. Now, the opposite case, there's pretty much only one algorithm for this, and it goes like this. R U R prime U prime R F R prime F prime. That gets it up. Now, a case like this, soon case, there's actually, can't really think of any other algorithm, so I'm just gonna do the normal one, which is this. Oh, I should tell you the letter names, okay. It's, it's R prime, F, R prime, and rotate up here, like, rotate from there to there, and then U prime, R prime, D prime, R, U. That gets it on top also. Now, this case, instead of doing a long one, which is like that, you can do something instead. F, and sexy move 2 times, and then end with a F prime. So a sexy move is like this. Like it's like that. Like that, yeah. Anyways, the final one, which is this. Don't do the long one, which is F. Sexy move 3 times instead of 2, and end with that. Like, don't, that's too long. So instead, you can do this. R2, U2, R prime, U2, R2. Like this. Yeah. Anyways, let's go, wait. Oh, so let's get on with this video. So, next step is to get all of these. Oh, I got a layer. For example, you get this, like, you have to get it, these layers. So, let's do it. So, the first case is you have 2 lines. You find a matched pair and you find a matched pair, line it together. It doesn't have to be yellow. It can be like, it can be green, it can be blue, it doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be all a correct face. And you do this. It's R2, U prime, B2, U2 prime. You can do a U2 prime or a U2, but U2 prime is better. And R2, or you can do an U2 prime and R2. I mean U prime and R2, yeah. So it can be like this. It can be like this. You just do that. And yeah, now the next algorithm is where you have a line on the on top, but none on the bottom. I call this the JN perm because this is a J perm and this is an N perm or Y perm. I call it the JN perm, and I made this up on my own. It's sort of like on a square one, which is like I'll show you a square one. It only works. This algorithm only works in 2x2 and square one, and I figure out it works in square one. It goes like this. It goes like R2, and yeah, push it back, push it back. I made this up on my own and I figured it out. If this algorithm is like exists, like people already figured it out, tell me in the comments below. And see, it works like the square one too. See, the edges are just like the 2x2. Yeah, I don't have my chi at the moment because it's not like I don't have the chi at the moment. It kind of exploded everywhere. So yeah. Anyways, there's another one, which is now this is the NJ perm because it's the alter way. Put the bar at the bottom, at the left, and do the alter way. And yeah, now the last one is simple. Is the simplest one. You can do this. It's basically a checkerboard. Easiest algorithm ever. So that's all for the video, guys. If you want to check out any of my other videos, just go to MLCuber. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.